Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here to share the latest digital print in my Etsy shop, and as always, I'm so excited to share it with all of you. This one is called Collage Kit 1. It's called 1 because I'm hoping to do more of these. I had so much fun doing it. I was watching all of my as I was working on these collages, all of my favorites were putting kits out there, which, as you know, I've purchased for my altered book and for other projects, but I was a lot slower than they were, but I finally got it done. So I wanted to share it with you because I'm excited to use it in my altered book that I'm doing collage in. So I wanted to get these done so I can use them. And then also I'm thinking of using these in this beautiful cover that was gifted to me in Happy Mail. And I think it will go just perfectly. There are eco-dyed prints in my collages, and there were my eco-dyed prints in here too. So let's just get started. So I kept in mind as I created these that I would like them to be attractive as pages, as well as to be torn up for your own collage. But so I'll just kind of show you each page and then what they would look like in half, and so that they would make the pages in a journal like I'm planning to do with that beautiful cover. This one features one of my snippet trims and the lace and different fabrics and such. And so this is what it would look like as a page. And I put the snippet trim across the whole thing so that it would show on both pages. This one also features a paper from July 20th, 1899. So then this one has some coffee dyed doilies, has some appliques, and some dictionary pages that have some botanicals. So that's this side, and then this side looks like that. Then let's see. Oh, this one has, once again, some doilies, but just white edged doilies, and then some feed sack prints and various other pieces. That's that side. That is that side. And then this one, once again, the eco-dyed prints, and then some botanical dictionary page, and then it's got music down the center. So I was tickled with how these came out. I hope you all like them too. And if you do, you can go on over to Cinnamon Tea and get one of these kits for yourself. I will put the link in the description box below, and just want to thank you so much for all your support of my Etsy shop and my attempt at doing some digitals and sharing some of my work with you all. So thanks everybody so much for watching, and we'll just see you next time. Bye-bye.